This is the world's best mashed potato because we've helped it with a little bit of custard. Now, you're probably thinking, why would I put custard in my mashed potato? Because it turns into a masterpiece. So let's try it.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the main event. Let's get ready to rumble!
Well, not quite a main event. We're doing the world's best mashed potato. How do we start every mashed potato? I don't need to show you because obviously you know how to make mashed potato. Now, these are married paper potatoes.
That's a bit racist.
Won't do that again because it's going to make me cough. I've never really, gone for a specific potato. Maybe Yukon Gold, waxy potato or something. But mashed potato it's in the name, innit? It's mashed potatoes. As long as you're mashing potatoes, you got mashed potato. But this really is going to be the best mashed potatoes that you've ever tried because of the secret ingredient.
Yeah!
If it's good enough for me, it's good enough for her. Here we have 3 big potatoes. Married paper potato.
He's made me racist.
Cut that into equal sized chunks. Ta-da! Into the water with our potato. Onto our secret weapon. Our secret ingredient requires 3 egg yolks. Look at the colour of them yolks. Beast. This is the best way to extract a yolk, by the way. Probably not, actually. You know what? Yeah, good. I'm happy with that. So we're just going to mix that egg yolk up a little bit, just to break it up. Look at the colour of that yolk as well. Beautiful. 1 lot of single cream. We're going to bring that up to a boil first, and then double up with another part of the same amount of milk. So 1 part British single cream and 1 part British milk. I don't know why I said British, it doesn't have to be British. Cut up some chives, or chives to you peasants. You know, this is quite hard because I put the hob on without thinking too deeply about it, and now this is hot. In this pan, I'm gonna go with some thyme, those chives, and just let that flavour infuse. Back on the boil, I'm gonna go into our cream mixture with a bit of salt and some white pepper. It's probably a good time to do you know what? Just like and subscribe, please. Our cream and milk mixture is starting to boil now, so that's ready. I'm gonna add a little bit of this to our egg yolks, just to temper it, and just stir that in. Stir that into our egg yolks. What that does is it tempers the yolks so that they don't scramble. With the rest of it, I'm gonna go into that bowl and hopefully don't burn myself. This will become our bain marie, or our bain marie.
Do you want to go to France?
Not really.
Well, shut up then.
Which means we can put this on top of there and we can stir this. So now we're just waiting for this to get thicker. And what you want is a custard consistency, because if you've seen the thumbnail, you know this is custard, but a savoury custard. So this is how we are going to make the best mashed potatoes in the world. What we don't want is this. Do not want our water to boil over. And also, don't drop herbs everywhere. I'm gonna go in there with some MSG, quite a bit, and some crispy onions. And there's just a couple of bits missing now. And that is some nutmeg. Nutmeg and mashed potatoes is beautiful. This is gonna be concentrated flavor and concentrated texture. Time to make our mash. Put those potatoes into a bowl and just push them through this sieve. If you've got a ricer, you're gonna have a much easier job than me, because that was a pain in the wok. This is packed with flavour and umami. You can put anything in here as well. You can put porcini mushrooms, you could put garlic, any herbs really. Like a bit of sage in there would have been good. I'm gonna put a ladle full of this now in the mashed potatoes, mix it up and see where we get to. So this is the best mash in the world. And we're gonna plate it up and we're gonna see how it comes out and we'll see how it tastes. Let's go. Suppose I better wipe this as well, hadn't I? Do you know what, I can't do anymore. I've done my best. I tried so hard and got so far, but in the end, it wasn't even worth it. Right, I've heard production costs are ramping up, so I have to do this bit myself. So I've been told to sort the music out, so here we go. Dun, dun, Dun 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 dun. Right. This is the world's best mashed potato because we've helped it with a little bit of custard. Now you're probably thinking, why would I put custard in my mashed potato? And I'm going to tell you, because it turns into a masterpiece. So let's try it. Oh, that's hot. The best mash, the smoothest mash, the most tastiest mash in the world. Where can you use this mash? Well, anywhere you need a mash. There's only one thing left to tell you. Like and subscribe and come back again next time. But if you've got any requests for me, get them in the comments. I'm going to read every single one. Cheerio.